expand 9h minus 6g into brackets 2h plus 5g. Solution. We have 9h minus 6g multiplied by 2h plus 5g. Now the first thing is this. The first binomial expression is 9h minus 6g. Now, for us to perform this expansion, we use the first term in the first binomial expression, which is 9h, to multiply the whole of second binomial expression, which is 2h plus 5g. Then we use the second term in the first binomial expression, which is 6 minus 6g rather, to multiply the second term, or to multiply the second binomial expression. We have minus 6g multiplying 2h plus 5g. Now, expanding the brackets, we have 9h multiplied by 2h. 9 times 2 we have 18, h times h we have h squared. So it means that the first term is 18h squared. Now that same 9h multiplied by 5g. 9 times 5 is 45. So we have 45. G times h we have gh. So we have 45gh. Now we move to the second part of this algebraic expression. Now we use minus 6g to multiply 2h. Minus 6 times 2 will give us minus 12. So g times h will give us gh. So it means that the third time is minus 12gh. Now we use this minus 6g to multiply the second time in the second algebraic expression. So minus 6g multiplied by 5g. Minus times plus will give us minus. So 6 times 5 will give us 30. Then g times g will give us g squared. Now we have 4 terms in this algebraic expression. Now the two middle terms are like terms, so we can add them together. So adding them or subtracting, we have 45gh minus 12gh will give us what? 25 minus 12, that will give us 33. So we have 33gh as the middle terms minus 30g squared. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.